One car, one fridge. Huge safety risks exist in uncertain car fridges. 3C certification is the basic safety standard. Product without official 3C certification has unqualified circuit standard and materials, which may cause short circuits and safety hazards during driving. This is our exhibition area. Everything here is our product. Products are fully certified with official 3C safety qualification, meeting standard vehicle electric safety requirements. Remember, always check 3C certification before buying car fridges. Hope this video helps you.